Me mo bibia ha mo bibia kwa bopem so 104.7. Ebe bosumi ni na the Kumasi Traditional Council meeting na yura Asante na nanom hia the registrar of the KTC edebeto na nanom ne oba obi anim say yura Asante hene enya invitations to the Seychelles Island, to the Barbados Island, and also the Republic of Suriname to Monsafre Yura. Say Jumedia, each of these countries say di nyina no Yura fna ni monyam beta o machina onye the special guest of it. Inti for beha Seychelles de no Sante the president of Germany and so ba my Ghana mu na oka sese bi waba on a state visit there, but onim say Asante your mind Yura so ni patitiri nti no obeshe so ba behwe Yura nim no pay courtesy call on Asante nti no ma Seychelles then Yura ntimi amfa nani anche say na enyoma na bebobo so, but then we help him so 104.7 in Barbados Yura ekoye any omukokodi juma several places he visited when for be brain so pay courtesy call them in your so 104.7 the nyina to money ma ho enne baby am the Republic of Suriname our months to make your mood in so 50th independence anniversary and celebration our mood. And the president of Suriname is for Santene say on man be the guest of honor award Jumedi our Mbabe dia sinti na mi gina here ne on the 24th of November 2025 on a Monday. Republic of Suriname na mi gina me no wodi komo ye ne na Santene baba be pie mu okromu ha na Jumedi ayokoso nyina akọ emre no between Suriname ha ene Ghana no omo biti Ghana be 3 hours enti man no ka say yera baba be drew man mo hanum say 5:35 ye nwumre enti be hwa na ese Ghana no na abobe 9:35 mo hono ma eno nso eko eno nti e be hia say dedi kan de nyoma e be koso ntutu ye updates ni bibia no no 104.7 exclusively bibia e be koso ha bia na de beto manim enti by as I said by 5:35 yera baba be pie mo hanum say the district of Paramaribo omo airport yera baba pie mu na Jumedi no ato so ho nti anya ne say from the airport no penifo awudro bebre about 120 ofan individuals and omo nyina become collectively together na omeshia at exactly 5:35 Suriname time no yera baba be do the Johan Adolf Pengal International Airport and yera ene nananom edinachi the Johan Adolf Pengal International Airport na penifo a ebeshia yera airport no mama na kwa by side the 120 individuals Yanyantu will be His Excellency Andre Monsieur Kaba, on the Minister of Health, Welfare and Labor, on behalf of the President and Omoba Bishia Yura, and then also Ambassador Michael Keppins, on a senior advisor to the Minister of BIS, and then also Mr. Ebu Jones, on a member of the National Assembly, Mrs. Annie Kenshout Sadi, or a member of the National Assembly, Mr. Tashana Loshe, or a member of the National Assembly, and then also Mr. Patrick Kenson Hughes, or a District Commissioner of Para, and then also Mr. Ravi Bato, or a District Commissioner of Wanika Center, and then also Mr. Vijay Chokan, on a Director Airport Man. Ahud Nipa Hudui Ena on behalf of Her Excellency Jennifer Gerlin Simons, no, on Babishia Yira, or Airport on na. For Mambo Mudi on behalf of Her Excellency Jennifer Gerlin Simons, on Bishia Yira, or the airport, no, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, and so the Republic of Ghana, or Brazil, how Mona Eshe, a Hanum Saint in Penifonso, Ebe Company for no Meshia Yira, award the airport, Nebe, Mr. Humphrey Chateau Ajongba, on the Deputy Head of Mission and Minister Plenipotentiary, and then also Mr. David Sefabuachi, Minister Plenipotentiary. Obebusa said, I say Ghana, any embassies, a war in Krunkru Bibre, a war Caribbean, so in Penifui, and a war Brazilian, and so more, and a share Caribbean countries, Nebine Suriname, Yira, Air Queen, Omunina, so share Yira, or the airport, Yira, Baba, into the Republic of Suriname. And so, Nanoma can Yira, Hoa, Eba, a Nana Jabin, mine, and Nana Otumfuo, and a far painter, Bompata, mine, Yira, Chiame, Bafo, Kantankechi, and so can Yira, Yokohene, and Akusi. And so Ekahon Yura at some point here Hineba Osu Koko and so Ekahon Yenshan is a Mr. Charles Setre and so Kahon and also the head of protocol Mr. Nessa and so company for any Yura ban so the deputy protocol of Yura Mr. Emmanuel Sesafo Edikan Ewo Hanum Seya Obabeto to Neoma say by Yura Babi June Bibia Bay Smooth alongside Yura Media Open so 104.7 we are here fully represented and then also the head of media Mensha Palita George and Tiboisiako Yenin Penifo Babi P. Mohanum Seya Jumedi bɛkɔ soro deɛ bɛba fam deɛ bɛsi bia no yɛ ne nyinaa bɛbrɛ mo yɛnhyɛ ne sɛ dwumadi yɛwura ba bɛdi ne dɔɔso at the airport ɔmo hyia yɛwura wie ma ne ba bɛdura baabi a yɛwura ba bɛgye na home nso asɛ bi ɛhɔ na yɛwura bɛwɔ throughout and stay here in Suriname, and so there are activities bɛkɔ ɛnya ne nti ɛsɛ even before yɛwura bɛwura into the facility no there will be a ceremony at the gate ɔmo de bɛgye yɛwura atata sante yɛ baabia sɛ bi mpanimfoɔ titiri ɔmo agye din wɔ din ɛna ɛba aba bɛda nti ɔmo bɔ ɔmo nso wɔ biribi kakra ɔmo yɛ ɛde appreciate sɛ panin na ba bɛpie wɔ hɔ nom ne nti wohwɛ video ma wobɛhunu the facility yɛwura bɛstay ne yɛtwa anim hɔ kakra kyɛw and then also fully represented yɛbɛka sɛ yɛahyɛ nso deɛ yɛ flag no ɛna ho sɛ ɛdi ahimu in the video a Surinamefoɔ nso deɛ ka ho ɛna yɛn nso yɛde ka ho ne nyinaa ɛyɛ in celebration of the 50th independence celebration of the Surinamese country na yoma to amsa fe yura oba be yechi chief function is there beto aso no Benada the 25th of November nso anopa tutu na yura ebe free baby a oje na home na ordinary achemu wo the Congress hall honor have been penifo ahudwa wo no extraordinary session of the National Assembly of the Republic of Suriname no ebe ko so te said ye wo man Ghana mu na peniti tiri bia ba na ye de na call emrahye bedwa mu no the Parliament of Ghana Nira also become National Assembly and Speaker of the National Assembly of the Republic of Suriname, the Honorable Dr. R. Michael A. Aden ebe address the Congress and Nira so and then the President of the Republic of Suriname, Her Excellency Jennifer Galen Simons and so ebe ekasa kakra ma address kakra ewo ehonum and then ebe 10 in the morning na Yira esad ni every home ho and Yira befi Congress on no wako bia eho and the armed forces of the Republic of Suriname be parade the actually Yira and then also Ghana said ya hu ye de no bonsa asrafo yi enenam wiem the parachute ACC ba for mombe sa dwumadi ni nyina de ahyewe ni monyam so de ni monyam ba beta dwumadi na echi yewia or my reception kakra say be on cake or mano kakra ni nyina ya part of the 50th anniversary celebration of the independence of the Republic of Suriname. The president na mu na esebi obe host Saturday way na nyume ombe cultural activities bi ni nyina ya inclusive and say a part of the celebrations are ekoso ewo ekromu hanum say da it also required the 26th of November and so no anopa 11 na Yira efi bia hanum say origin home na wako the presidential palace ho na okwa kushia the president Her Excellency Jennifer Galen Simons na omo edidi nkomo kakra hye so say the day before oshia Yira de na so na we as part of the independence celebration award no na there to su kwada de presidential palace or asa to South Yira say Yira mra ho na we de emeye enkitahudie between the presidency of Suriname and Asante said ye kone no penifo ebe wo say adwumadi yase no would be definitely Her Excellency Jennifer Galen Simons, President of the Republic of Suriname, Her Excellency Melvin W.J. Bova, Minister of Foreign Affairs, International Business and Cooperation, Her Excellency Michaela M. Her, Minister of Regional Development, Mr. Sergio Akimboto, Chief of Staff of the Cabinet of the President, and then Mrs. Yildiz Polak Belgi, Senior Advisor to the Minister of BIS, Ambassador Michael Kepin, Senior Advisor to the Minister, and then also Ambassador Mariam McIntosh, Permanent Secretary Foreign Affairs, Technical Delegation, and so Ebekanshi Mudien Mrs. Herman Pavon, Permanent Secretary, Mrs. Sachi Soko, Deputy Permanent Secretary Bilateral Affairs, Mr. Okwema Dens, Head of Africa, Oceania and Australian Division. Shannon say we nyina yenkita hudia say be yura ni omba be share din komo e dey afa on mine Ghana ho is yura two coins here. It's not always about the celebration. Enye de monyam hyenko omode share yura nkona yura ana ohwe ho ana asna ni dwuno. We also have conversations with them na say be nyoma ekoso o mine mu no so omo so hunu ha wo mbetimi aye bibia aboa na yura nso ahwe ha wo no so ebetimi de aboa yura wie nhyiamudie ya yura be pay a courtesy call on the Speaker of the National Assembly, the Honorable Dr. R. Michael A. Aden with the National Assembly honum and so ekankita hudi on Yerabedi Yera so free ho obesa pay a courtesy call on the member of the National Assembly, Mrs. Ingrid Botes Wathen no so because of the National Assembly so na Yera free ho Yera sa pay a courtesy call on the Vice Speaker of the National Assembly, the Honorable Ronnie Brunswick and so with the National Assembly or Yera sa free ho obesa pay another courtesy call on the National Assembly member of the National Assembly, Mr. Chandik Spad Santoki ɛno nso ɛwɔ National Assembly hɔ na yɛwura ne mpanimfoɔ nyinaa di nkita ho, all in the purpose of developing the country, developing Asanteman na animonyam hyɛ yɛwura apa ama yɛ no sɛ bi yɛtumi akɔ so. Dwumadie wohwɛ mu a ne titiri ne mpɔmpɔnsoɔ ɛna amabɔbɔ so a ne nyinaa no will be exclusively live on Otumfuo 104.7 sɛdeɛ ɛbɛkɔ, being pictures, being videos, yɛde ho nyinaa bɛbrɛ, being reportage, and then always biribiara no yɛde ne nyinaa nso ɛbɛbrɛ. Live from the Republic of Suriname, Paramaribo district na medin de yɛntwebɔ Sako Derek on behalf of Otumfuo 104.7 yɛde biribi ɛbɛkɔ so bi a yɛwura ɛbɛn ne journey baabi ɔbɛkɔ dwumadie obɛdie biara no ne nyinaa bɛbrɛ mu screen so yɛde obi